The new 2024 Rivian R1T looks very recognizable and distinctive. The truck has a clean design combined with amazing exterior colors and modern front fascia. The R1T model comes with standard 20-inch wheels, while 21-inch and 22-inch units are optional. Moreover, you can choose all-terrain tires, as Rivian R1T is also a very capable off-roader. Interior features. Inside the cabin, the new 2024 Rivian R1T truck will also look distinctive and very modern. The interior provides a lot of high-quality materials, offering a high level of comfort. However, the highlight is a 16-inch display sitting in the center. One innovative feature is the gear tunnel, as it delivers additional storage space. Engine. The next 2024 Rivian R1T will offer a couple of power levels of additions. For a start, a two-motor variant will happen, providing around 250 miles of driving range thanks to a 105 kWh battery pack. On the top of that, the range-topping quad-motor R1T will be on offer as well. An AWD setup will come as standard, along with the 135 kWh battery pack. This version will not only deliver more power, but will also have a driving range of around 320 miles. 2024 Rivian R1T Release Date and Price. In terms of price, the upcoming 2024 Rivian R1T will probably cross over $60,000. Moreover, the launch edition will cost $75,000 per source. New R1T all-electric truck will hit the roads next summer.